So we have a 2020 Jeep Cherokee basic audio system, 4 speakers, and a 4-channel amp install. Now with these systems, they require a PAC-CH41. I don't want to do that because that's $280. This client doesn't have the 280, so I decided to see if I can make a system work. I wired in 4 27 ohm resistors in between each line. You have your rears, your fronts, etc., etc. Now I know this looks kind of messy right now, bear with me. I was literally just testing and I got it to work, and I figured I would share this with you. So if you wire this in directly through the line out on the kicker key and you don't have these resistors, the radio will not produce the audio. That's why they require that AP4CH41. However, if you wire in these resistors in between, it will trick the radio into thinking that there is that amount of resistance and everything is playing. Now this system does have the UConnect. It has pretty much all the fancy features except for the Alpine premium sound. So in doing so, kick the car on, everything's waking up, amplifier turned on, cool, UConnect is loading. Hit accept, and there we go. Everything is in working order, the way it's supposed to. Here's your fader. As you can see, we're getting what we're supposed to get. So I just wanted to make this video so you guys in the future know and have a fair warning of how to get around that $300 piece with just a couple of resistors. I hope this video helps you out. This should work with Dodges, Jeeps, Ram, any Fiat products. This should do what you need it to do. So hopefully this helps you out, and good luck installing, and see if I have a happy customer at the end of the day. Take care, guys.